How are you?
Not too bad, how are you?
What cool glasses.
Do you like them?
I was going to get contact lenses. It was awful.
It's never fun when you have to go into town and get glasses sorted, is
So
it?
the contacts, I said, no, I'm not going to do that.
Nah.
Can't walk.
Nah, got a fresh pair of shades, eh?
Yeah. So you're good to do all these jobs.
Yep.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I do anything IT tech related. I also have a sub part in my company where I do labour work. So that's another business card.
Oh.
Looks a little bit the same as the... How did you find me? Flyer business card?
Oh, well, where's the business card? Here somewhere.
Business card from... Yeah, okay.
One of my friends.
Yeah, nice. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Same sort of look, but also do labour work. So I had a job today where I cleared out someone's house. In and out within 30 minutes, which was quick, which was good.
You cleared the house out.
Yeah. I had to remove some furniture, take some old stuff they didn't want out, so I just took it out, chuck it on the trailer. In and out quick. I like to work efficiently because I got jobs going all the time, so I like to be in and out. But yeah, so what's going on?
Oh, rightio. So I've got the hotspot on, and then I go into here, and it just keeps going round and round.
Oh, okay, so it just doesn't load, and then when you try and search something,
Just like, yeah, it doesn't.
just cat, just any sort of word, I guess.
So I go like that, and then you go search, and it just
Doesn't do anything for you. So you've uninstalled and reinstalled it. Yeah, because normally on Apple devices, people normally go through Safari, which is the default browser that Apple have.
Yeah.
And then you can make Google Chrome your default browser, so it just searches everything through Chrome. But yeah, see there, it's Google Chrome. But this Google, it's just a shortcut app straight to Google, so it's Google's shortcut app.
Okay.
But you also have search engines like Google Chrome. That's what normally people would go through, or Safari. I mean, it depends on preference on what you'd want to use. So
it isn't full.
no, your storage is fine. Yeah. So you still got 80 odd gig.
And also, why can't I get into on my television, like when I want to go and find things on, not pay TV, but you know, like ABC iView and all that, and 10 Play and all that, why can't I get into it?
You can't get in, like it doesn't load?
Well, it loads, but it wants passwords and stuff, and I never used to have to do that.
Yeah, well, normally like when you haven't signed into an app, you need to re-sign in if you haven't used it for a while. Or if you've changed the password, it will change it on all the devices. So I can have a look.
To save children's lives and tackle
So
this
I
urgent
just
crisis, please call 1-800-490-6900.
Just want to be able to get into. What do you press when you just want to get into them? All that?
So the apps. So normally it's the home button. So go back from that. I normally click that little home button, and then it will take you to like this sort of screen here.
Right.
And then if you just, your favorite apps are here. So your favorite apps are here. But if you want to access all your apps, if you click up on the remote until the box at the top says, like, see how it says home, shop, discover apps at the top there?
Yeah.
If you scroll over to the right, like using that, it will show all the apps that are actually on the TV.
Yeah. So say I want to go into channel 10.
Yep.
Right.
Did you used to watch these on this TV once upon a time? Yeah.
Because I haven't watched them for a long time, so they're asking me to go. Like, I want to watch
iPad. If anything else happens with it, just give me a call. But just because it's a little bit outdated, technically, that's why you were having app issues, and then not being able to install Google Chrome because it needed the latest iOS version, and then that iPad can't upgrade to the latest because it's an older model. So Safari going forward will be your internet, your app to use.
Thank you.
That's
very
all
much.
good. Hopefully it all works out, but you've got my number if you need to give me a buzz anyway.
That's great. So I'll go here, and then it comes straight up.
To what you were on last, yep.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep, so return, it's return. I don't know why it's not called search, but it's return.
Good.
Yep.
Then I'll just go back.
Yeah, it takes you back to the main one. Close it if you want. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic video.
Easy.
Thank you. How much short are you?
Call out is 120.